Hey everyone. Had another make and take meeting the other week. The New Jersey Make and Take group from Haunt.
Because he likes short stories. See the birds left on it?
Fairy tales.
See the metal birds left on it?
You gotta grind
Oh, I'm sorry. Now can you see?
Yeah. No. What?
Well, we got to get that stuff off of there.
It's grinding.
No. If you use a grinding wheel, it's going to take away metal. This is a flat polisher. See how this is like a, there's a little piece of the sandpaper attached together. So it's not going to as much take away material as just polish it off just like sandpaper would. And then while we're looking for the parts for this one, we can start working on that scissor one.
Right.
I gotta get with the
Underneath the saw, it went. So we've marked the 3/4 inch metal rod, 18 inches. He did 18 inches this end, 18 inches that end. And those are going to be the legs of the flipper. So then you have...
Well, this is so cool. It really saves it.
It does. 2 18s, 3 6s, 2 4s, and extra. We need to now say, let's do this.
Yeah, that's really good.
Oh, cool. Wow. Holy crap.
Hang on, check.
It's hard to see.
Don't be afraid. Start it and keep going.
She's got the magnet, I think.
Yeah, you got everything. She's the shotgun. Wow, that's terrible.
Let's get that.
I wonder how many people had to lose their eyesight before they realized you need these kind of helmets.
One. Just the one. I wonder how they did it with those old style helmets. That's what I wonder.
That's where all that head nodding came from, I bet. So there it is. There was a lot more fun there. Joe, H Prop Man, had come by and whenever Joe's around, there's always electronics to be had. So he showed us a new LED spotlight that he made with 9 or 12 bulbs in it, super bright, and looks like it'll be a fun project to make at a future meeting. So if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel and check out my blog, www.devilseve.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching.